Fun fact for the Santa Clara County people, they moved the McDonald's on Matilda to another location. It's on San Aleso now, which is across the street from the old one. Weird. Looks better though. Oh, I am hungry. I'm tired. I still gotta go to SpeeDee, get an oil change for my Prius C commuter. Went to this McDonald's that I used to go to, and they moved it. It's a brand new one though. I like it. Looks good. It's on the opposite side though, so there you go. Yeah, COVID life. Mask up. Bring it back. All right, pulling up to SpeeDee. Hopefully the line's short. It looks like the line is short. Success. Is it open? SpeeDee oil change and tune-up. Alright, bring it back. And now we wait. There's crazy. Alright, that was quick. We are good to go. So the next oil change. Alright, catch you on the next one.